From your car's wheels to giant turbines in power plants, bearings are everywhere. They quietly reduce friction, carry loads, and keep machines running smoothly. In this video, we'll break down the three main types of bearings: journal, thrust, and rolling contact, with working principles, applications, pros, and cons. What is a bearing? A bearing is a machine element that supports and guides rotating or sliding parts while reducing friction. Its key functions are carry load, reduce wear, maintain alignment, ensure smooth motion. Types of bearings. 1. Journal bearings, sleeve or bush bearings. Working. The shaft rotates inside a lubricated sleeve, where an oil film separates the shaft and bearing. Load direction, radial loads. Advantages: simple, durable, high load capacity, quiet. Limitations: needs continuous lubrication, higher friction at low speed compared to rolling bearings. Applications: steam turbines, compressors, crankshafts. 2. Thrust bearings. Working. Designed to take axial loads along the shaft axis. Types: flat plate, tilting pad, collar thrust. Advantages: handles high axial force, stable at high speeds. Limitations: needs precise lubrication, can overheat if overloaded. Applications: marine propeller shafts, vertical pumps, compressors. 3. Rolling contact bearings, anti-friction bearings. Working. Rolling elements such as balls or rollers sit between inner and outer races to reduce friction. Load types: can take radial, axial, or both. Subtypes: ball, cylindrical roller, tapered roller, spherical roller, and needle bearings. Advantages: low friction, high efficiency, standardized sizes. Limitations: lower load capacity compared to journal bearings, noisy at high speed. Applications: automobiles, electric motors, gearboxes, household appliances. Comparison table, visual. Here's a quick comparison of the three types of bearings. Bearing type, load type, friction, speed. Typical use: journal, sleeve, radial, medium, high. Turbines, compressors, thrust, axial, medium, high. Propellers, pumps, rolling contact, radial, axial, low, medium, cars, motors, gearboxes. Master 5. Latest trends 2024 to 25. Magnetic bearings, no physical contact, used in high-speed compressors. Ceramic bearings, lightweight, high temperature, used in EVs and aerospace. Smart bearings, IoT sensors for vibration, temperature, predictive maintenance. Hybrid bearings, steel plus ceramic rolling elements for higher efficiency. Mini quiz: which bearing type is used in a car wheel hub? Journal, thrust, or rolling contact? Comment below. Top 5 interview questions and answers. 1. What is the difference between journal bearings and rolling contact bearings? Journal: shaft slides on a thin film of lubricant. Higher load capacity, needs lubrication. Rolling contact: balls or rollers carry the load. Lower friction, easier to replace. 2. Where are thrust bearings used and why? Used in applications with high axial load, like propeller shafts and vertical pumps. They resist end thrust forces along the shaft axis. 3. What are the main causes of bearing failure? Improper lubrication, misalignment, contamination, overloading, fatigue. 4. What is the difference between ball bearings and roller bearings? Ball, point contact, good for moderate loads and high speeds. Roller, line contact, higher load capacity but lower speed capability. 5. What are magnetic bearings and where are they used? Bearings that levitate the shaft using magnetic fields with no physical contact, used in high-speed compressors, flywheels, and turbo machinery. And that's the breakdown of journal, thrust, and rolling contact bearings. Simple in principle, but critical to every machine. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to 3D Decode for more mechanical insights.